What is FDA Form 483? FDA Form 483 lists observations in order of importance that FDA inspectors record during manufacturing site inspections. Each observation noted on the FDA Form 483 is clear, specific, and significant, and FDA investigators are specially trained in the matter. FDA officials communicate their inspection observations on Form 483, and it is usually issued to the manufacturing site after the FDA audit is completed. Observations are not generally made until the investigator's judgment, conditions or practices observe that any food, drug, device, or cosmetic has been adulterated, or changed intentionally to its standard practice. After completion of the inspection, FDA Form 483s are discussed with the company's senior management, regarding the observations of the inspections. To get a full understanding, each observation is read and discussed with the company's senior management, so that they get the actual situation regarding inspection observations. An FDA Form 483 is a report. It does not contain any observations of questionable or unfamiliar significance at the time of the inspection of a specific firm. It only reports on familiar objectionable conditions, which are observed during the inspection. Even if it can't report other objectionable conditions which didn't notice during the inspection, the company is only responsible to correct the objectionable conditions which are noticed after the completion of the inspection on the due date. Hope you already know what is FDA Form 483. To know more, check pinned comment section.